Hello student, good morning all of you. Today we studied here substitution reaction of monochloroacetic acid. There are four reactions. First reaction by nucleophile, that is OH minus. Second reaction with iodide. Third one is the cyanide with CN, and fourth one is the ammonia. Then we study here one by one. First is the by nucleophile OH minus. Substitution means one atom replaced by the another atom. This reaction is called as the substitution. Therefore, in case of monochloroacetic acid, chlorine atom replaced by other group. Therefore, first chlorine replaced by OH, that is by nucleophile OH minus. When chloroacetic acid is treated with NaOH, sodium hydroxide, it gives hydroxyl acetic acid, that is glycolic acid. Means Cl is replaced by OH. I am showing the general reaction. RCH COOH in reaction with NaOH, formation of a, here Cl is replaced by OH and formation of RCHOH COOH by releasing NaCl molecule. Here hydroxyl acetic acid is formed. This is the first reaction. When chloroacetic acid react with sodium hydroxide, formation of a hydroxyl acetic acid, Cl is replaced by OH or Cl is substituted by the OH group. Then second reaction I am showing here, CH3 CHBr COOH. Name of this compound is the at carbon number 2 bromine group attached. Therefore 2 bromopropanoic acid. 2 bromopropanoic acid react with AgOH in presence of NaOH. Here Br atom substituted by OH group and formation of CH3 CHCOOH by releasing AgBr silver bromide. CH3 CHOH COH is nothing but the lactic acid. Means halogen atom is replaced by the OH group. This is the first reaction of monochloroacetic acid by nucleophile OH minus. Then second reaction here, substitution by iodide atom. When chloroacetic acid is treated with potassium iodide Ki in ethanol, it gives iodoacetic acid. Means chlorine is replaced by iodine atom. Therefore monochloroacetic acid react with potassium iodide in ethanol, it gives a iodoacetic acid, means ICH2COH. This is the iodoacetic acid. Acetic acid CH3COH, one of the H from CH3 group is replaced by iodine atom. Then formation of a iodoacetic acid. Here chlorine atom is replaced by iodine atom or chlorine atom are substituted by iodine atom. Then third reaction with cyanide, that is Cn minus. When monochloroacetic acid is treated with potassium cyanide in ethanol, potassium cyanide KCN in ethanol, formation of a cyanoacetic acid. Means Cl is replaced by Cn group or Cl is substituted by Cn group, formation of a cyanoacetic acid. When monochloroacetic acid react with potassium iodide in ethanol solution, formation of a cyanoacetic acid. This is the third substitution reaction of a monochloroacetic acid, that is chlorine is replaced by cyanide group. Then fourth reaction with ammonia. Here when monochloroacetic acid is treated with ammonia, it gives glycine. I am showing the structure. Monochloroacetic acid Cl CH2COOH plus 2 molecules of ammonia in ethanol, formation of Cl atom is substituted by the NH2 group, formation of glycine or aminoacetic acid. These are the four reactions of monochloroacetic acid substitution reaction. Then after this reaction we studied here hydroxy acids. Then first definition of hydroxy acid. Here hydroxy acid is nothing but when acid contains hydroxyl group, that is the OH minus group, it is called as the hydroxy acid. The hydroxy acids can be classified according to number of OH groups, that is how many OH group present in their molecule. They are classified as mono, di, tri or polyhydroxy acids depending upon the number of 1, 2, 3 or more hydroxy group in their structure. If one hydroxy group is present in acid, then formation of a monohydroxy. If two OH group is present, then dihydroxy. If three OH group is present, then trihydroxy, and more than the three, it is called as the polyhydroxy acids. Then in your syllabus, there are two hydroxy acids. One is the malic acid and another is the citric acid. The malic acid, here COOH, CH2, CHOS, COH. Malic acid is also known as hydroxyl butane dioic acid. Here butane, 4-membered carbon atom butane, acid 2 COH group is present in their structure. Therefore butane di means 2, OIC, that is 2 COH group present. Therefore name of this malic acid is nothing but hydroxyl butane dioic acid. Here malic acid is organic compound with the molecular formula C4H6O5. It is also known as the hydroxyl butane dioic acid. It is dicarboxylic acid that is made by all living organisms, contributes presently sour taste of fruits and is used as a food additive. Then malic acid is colorless, crystalline solid, soluble in water and alcohol and sparingly soluble in ether. It melts at 130 degrees centigrade. Malic acid contains asymmetric carbon atom, hence it exists two optically active forms, stereoisomers forms, dextrorotatory and levorotatory, that is enantiomers, and one inactive form, that is L isomer, exists naturally. It is colorless, delicate solid. It is showing optical isomerism when it is present in dextro and levo form. Its melting point is the 373 Kelvin, and when it is present in racemic form, its melting point is the 408 Kelvin. Then methods of formation of a malic acid. Here there is a difference between maleic acid and malic acid. Therefore first method of formation of malic acid from maleic acid. There are the two methods of formation of malic acid. First method from maleic acid, that is MALEIC, from maleic acid. Here maleic acid containing carbon-carbon double bond and malic acid containing 2 COH group. Here maleic acid CH COH, C double bond C, CH COH, that is COH group same side of the double bond. This is the cis form of cis form maleic acid. Then on hydrolysis, hydrolysis is nothing but addition of a water molecule. Therefore hydrolysis of maleic acid, it gives a malic acid. Hydrolysis takes place in presence of acidic hydrolysis, H2SO4, formation of a COOH, CH2, CHOH, COH. This is the malic acid, that is one water molecule adds to the maleic acid, formation of a malic acid. This is the first preparation method of malic acid. Then we further study here second preparation method of malic acid, that is from alpha bromosuccinic acid and moist Ag2O. Succinic acid CH2COH, CH2COH succinic acid, at alpha position bromine atom attached. Therefore name of this compound is the alpha bromosuccinic acid. COH, CH2, CHBr, COH. This is the alpha bromosuccinic acid in presence of moist Ag2O. Formation of a, by releasing AgBr, formation of a malic acid is COH, CH2, CHOS, COH. This is the malic acid. These two are the preparation methods of malic acid. First method from maleic acid and second method from alpha bromosuccinic acid. Then after preparation we further study here chemical reactions of malic acid. In chemical reactions, there are the four chemical reactions. First chemical reaction is the action of heat. When malic acid is heated at 423 Kelvin to 452 Kelvin, it gives a malic acid by dehydration, that is releasing water molecule. After heating, water molecule evaporate and formation of a malic acid. Therefore, malic acid COH, CH2, CHOH, COH after heating at 423 to 452, releasing water molecule, formation of malic acid, that is COH, CH, double bond CH, COH. This is the action of heat on malic acid. Then second chemical reaction, oxidation by KMnO4. Here malic acid COH, CH2, CHOH, COH, this is the malic acid, undergoes oxidation. KMnO4 is the oxidizing agent, converted to the here COH, CH2, CO, COH, that is oxaloacetic acid. Here C11O group is present, therefore oxaloacetic acid is the ketonic form, or it is called as the keto form. Then it show keto-enol tautomerization, means ketonic group is converted to the enol group. Enol means En indicates presence of double bond and OL indicates presence of a OH. Therefore oxaloacetic acid undergoes tautomerization, formation of a COOH, CH, double bond COH, COH. This is the enol form. Means malic acid undergoes oxidation, formation of a enol form, or showing the tautomerism. This is the second chemical reaction of malic acid. Then further we study here third reaction, that is reaction with HI. When malic acid is treated with HI, hydroiodic acid, it reduces malic acid and gives the succinic acid. Therefore I am showing the structure here. CH2, COH, CH2, CHOH, COH, this is the malic acid. Here requirement 2 molecules of HI, formation of a succinic acid is the COOH, CH2, COH, this is the succinic acid. These three are the chemical reactions of malic acid. Then in next YouTube lecture we study here citric acid. Thank you for listening.